In this lesson, I want to talk to you about how to customize the look and feel of IntelliJ. So if you remember when we first installed IntelliJ, we had the option to choose from the default theme, which is the look and feel of how everything looks, and the Darkula theme, which is the dark background theme, which is the one I'm currently using. So let's say you selected that Darkula theme, but didn't want it anymore and wanted to check out the other theme. So if we went up to IntelliJ and Preferences, or the keyboard shortcut Command, comma, we can jump in here and we can actually go ahead and type for stuff if we don't know where it is. This is usually what I end up doing. And here under Appearance and Behavior and Appearance is where our theme is. So let's go ahead and change this back to default. We'll hit Apply and hit OK. And there's what the default IntelliJ installation kind of looks like. So we can switch between those two themes, and there's actually another theme that I'll show you in a second, but I also want to talk about kind of customizing a few things in here. So if we go back up to Preferences, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut this time. And I want to say font. So in the editor, maybe I want this font size a little bit bigger or a different font type. So in my case, I'm going to type 15 here, hit Apply, and now that you can see that that text is larger. And for me, this is a lot better when trying to demo stuff off, so we'll use that. So I'm going to click OK there. And again, you can go into the editor and the kind of the default preferences and kind of change things around to kind of fit your needs. So one last time, I'm going to go back into the preferences and I'm going to go down to plugins. And what we're going to do is search for something called the material theme. I'm going to hit search in repositories. And I'm actually going to pick the EAP here, the early access program, because I've been using that one on my other laptop and it's worked fine. Once it installs, you're going to hit restart IntelliJ. We're going to go restart. And we're going to have this pop up and probably look a little different, but not totally correct just yet. So the theme is basically what is on the outsides of everything. So we have this nice dark theme with the different colors of the fonts and folders and icons and stuff like that. The editor is still using the default color scheme inside of the editor. So let's go ahead and change that. Again, we'll go to Preferences. If you come in here and type color scheme, we'll see that underneath the editor, and you see the scheme is using the default. We want it to use the material default, so I'm going to click that, click Apply, and click OK. And now this is kind of what this theme looks like. And again, it might not be for everybody, but I kind of like the look and feel like this. You can actually switch through a bunch of these. And if you want to just switch themes from here, you can. There's the darker theme. Again, the color scheme in the editor doesn't change. You have to change that separately. Then you come down, there's a monarchy. There should be, a little. So there's a different kind of light one. And you can just go here, go through there and kind of find something that works for you. So that's all I wanted to show you. There's two default themes in IntelliJ. There are other themes out there. Material to me is one of the cooler ones. And you can pull it for free just by going into the plugins, searching for it, and installing it. I hope that helped with kind of cleaning up and tailoring the look and feel for you. And we'll continue in this section to kind of customize the IntelliJ idea.